Okay, this is continuing on to use AI to learn about how to do coding or teach coding. In this case, I'm using ChatGPT and comparing it with Grok, which is another AI system. And what I'm doing is making a simple request: write me a game using Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, which includes 2 players. Notice the colors I'm asking for. One player is yellow and one's pink on a black background. This is a test to see if AI knows how to do these colors and also how to correct them if they're not shown to be what we ask for. One player chases another, okay, and then when you score 3 points, game over, and show confetti and play trumpets. A teacher could take this text, copy it, and then have their students alter colors, sounds, instruments, and then see if AI knows how to write a correct program and then make corrections when it's not correct, and I can guarantee it's going to be not correct most of the time. Here's what we get when I paste what I asked for from chat into MakeCode. And right away you can see I got errors. In this case, the errors are music. So what we're going to learn today is how to correct these music errors. We know that to begin with, we can comment out just by using this slash forward slash. That will not erase our text, but it will make the text not readable, which gets rid of an error. We also know that our error is under music, and I'm thinking the correct music is going to be sounds. If I left click on that, here's what I see: music play to play playback mode. That looks to me close to what this says. So I'm going to try bringing this sounds text in and put it right there. And now you can see what the correct line of code should be, more complicated than what chat wrote. So now we should be able to duplicate this line, change the variables, and then have a correct game without these errors. Now, let's go to Grok and see what Grok wrote. I just cut and pasted the request identical. There's no difference between this request and the previous request for chat. So here's what I got. I hit copy. I go to MakeCode Arcade, and this is what I'm given. When I paste this in, it looks like this. This came from Grok. Notice there are no errors. However, it's not correct. You can see I asked for a black background and I'm given a white background, and I've asked for a yellow player and a pink player, and it's labeled them yellow and pink, but it's chosen colors that are not yellow and pink. Let's see how this game works, if it does work. Notice it's called multiplayer. When I change this, it changes which player moves. Notice that I asked for these players to score when they contact. The chaser touches the one being chased, but there is no change in score. It doesn't work. There's no change in score. So there's something wrong in the code on scoring. That would be a lesson to learn, how to write code for scoring. It doesn't look to me like any sounds happen. Switch roles is one, and chaser player is the other, and there's something wrong with the way these are designated. So there's a lot to be learned here, and I think this AI writing code for MakeCode and Arcade, because it frequently has errors or doesn't work the way it was expected, that gives us a chance to go back and learn how to do coding by rewriting it so it will work. So there will be more.